We Bangalore Karbi Society. Subject: requesting for financial support. We Bangalore Karbi Society request you to donate some financial support for our upcoming event to 25 December 2021 as a Christmas celebration. Nilitum Bangalore Karbi Society nanglitum fan nanglifan nachuningri loje financial support na kipi fansi. Nilitum non kewangji MI kibi pontegia fan 25 December 2021 aruni Christmas celebration of fun. We people of Bangalore Karbis are always see for a growth of our tribes Karbi and always be a part of all the problem facing by our people. Nilitum Bangalore Akarbis kaita ili tribal Akarbi dumpan eplang kacepa meji aphan lapen kaita nilitum mane Akarbi pene akisung polo polonte nilitum kaita kacerab duni pan mathapon lapen kaita cerab dun. We always try to keep all our tribes in a root and any celebrations ili sokarbi katokawe pan nilitum isi ahem tab ba isi ahem adib along kadokawe pan kewanisi kaita nilitum sesta kuripon kaita nilitum cengpon lapen hajab ili sokarbi a program pusita nilitum ning charong pansi kadokawe chingrum pen nilitum hajata program ka bipon. Our support always with all our leaders of Karbi Anglong district and all the tribes citizens of Karbi Anglong knows the great works done by Bangalore Karbi Society. Nilitum kaita ili hem jitu Karbi Anglong district alida tuman ke nilitum kaita choro iko lapen nilitum akeme ke claim akam Bangalore Karbi Society pen keme akam ke claim ke kadokawe Akarbi arat Karbi Anglong ke do kadokawe Akarbi arata nanjini prong pinak. Bangalore Karbi Society is one of the greatest and largest social support giving in South India region for our tribes Karbi. Bangalore Karbi Society henlo kethenai kemenai social work ba munit tuman kacerab dun South India ahinke ili so Karbi afan. Moreover, the achievement works of Bangalore Karbi Society is uncountable and we report directly or indirectly to KAAC CEM. Lasua pitta nilitum kapachun pon akamke Bangalore Karbi Society kapachun pon akamke hisab siun elo lapel Bangalore Karbi Society nilitum ke directly by indirectly ke Karbi Anglong District Council a CEM pansi reporting kakuri. In the last again, we request all our people to support us in financial part or donate us some amount to help more and more tribes Karbi. In kapajut nilitum nili ako kadokawe so Karbi apan nang tuning riloje nilitum pan financial support lapen donation nang pi taman lamsam ke taman atangka nilitum pan donation nang pi pen nilitum 500 se Akarbi so Karbi pan serap thegi apan si lasi nili bank details laso adimlo doiglo lapen nalitum donation nang pi dun tame lapen nilitum kaching hon nili Bangalore Karbi Society President abang puiglo lapen secretary lapen nil tu members abang pu nilimen ke Sri Thare Dhonesor be lapen secretary abang pu ke Thare Ojoy Inti Kathar lap